Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make barbecue sauce with Sprite. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of Sprite, 1 cup of ketchup, and 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Also, grab 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce and 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke. For seasonings, have 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper ready. Finally, add 1/2 teaspoon of paprika and a pinch of cayenne pepper for a subtle heat. Now, let's get cooking. Pour all your measured ingredients into a medium saucepan. Place it over medium heat. Whisk everything together really well, making sure all those delicious spices are fully incorporated. Once it starts to gently boil, reduce the heat to low. Let the sauce simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the sauce to thicken to a perfect consistency. As your sauce simmers, keep an eye on its consistency. You want it to thicken to your liking. Stir more frequently during the last 10 minutes to prevent it from sticking or burning. Once it looks just right, give it a taste. This is your chance to add a little more salt, pepper, or even a touch more cayenne if you like. Finally, remove it from the heat and let it cool down completely before using it on your favorite meats. Once your delicious Sprite barbecue sauce has cooled, transfer it to an airtight container. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 1 week, ready to elevate your next meal. This homemade sauce is incredibly versatile and tastes amazing on ribs, chicken, or even pulled pork sandwiches. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.